Have you ever wondered if you could ditch your traditional phone company and still keep your beloved phone number? Today, we're diving into the world of Ooma and answering the burning question. Can I use my regular phone with Ooma? Let's face it, traditional phone companies can be a drag. High bills, limited features, and pesky contracts can leave you feeling frustrated. That's where Ooma comes in. Ooma is a popular VoIP voice over internet protocol service that offers a more affordable and flexible way to make and receive calls. But can you still use your regular phone with Ooma? Let's find out. The basics of Ooma. Before we delve into compatibility, let's quickly understand how Ooma works. Ooma uses your internet connection to make and receive calls, bypassing the need for traditional phone lines. This means you can potentially save money on your monthly phone bill. Ooma's hardware options. Ooma offers a few hardware options to choose from. Ooma Telo. This is the most popular option, a small, sleek device that plugs into your router. It provides basic calling features and can be used with your existing phone. Ooma Office. Designed for businesses, the Ooma Office offers advanced features like call forwarding, voicemail transcription, and call recording. It can also be used with your existing phones. Ooma Hub. This is a more recent addition to the Ooma lineup, offering a wireless and portable solution. It can be used with your existing phone or with a dedicated Ooma phone. Compatibility with your regular phone. Now, let's address the main question. Can you use your regular phone with Ooma? The answer is generally yes, but it depends on a few factors. Phone type. Most modern analog phones, the ones you plug into the wall, should work with Ooma. However, some older or more specialized phones might not be compatible. Phone line. If you're using a traditional phone line with your Ooma device, you'll need to ensure that your phone is compatible with that specific line type. Ooma device. The Ooma device you choose will also play a role in compatibility. Some devices have more limited phone compatibility than others. Testing compatibility. If you're unsure whether your phone is compatible, there are a few ways to test. Check the Ooma website. Ooma provides a list of compatible phones on its website. You can search for your phone model to see if it's listed. Contact Ooma support. If you can't find your phone on the list, you can contact Ooma's customer support for assistance. Try it out. If you have an Ooma device, you can simply plug in your phone and see if it works. Additional considerations. Phone number. You can keep your existing phone number when you switch to Ooma. However, there might be a porting fee involved. Features. Some features, like caller ID and call waiting, might require additional setup or subscription fees. Internet speed. A stable internet connection is essential for using Ooma. A slow or unreliable connection can affect call quality. Benefits of using your regular phone with Ooma. If your phone is compatible, using it with Ooma offers several benefits. Familiarity. You can continue using a phone you're comfortable with. Cost-effective. You might be able to save money on phone bills. Easy setup. Setting up your regular phone with Ooma is typically straightforward. In conclusion, you can indeed use your regular phone with Ooma, but compatibility depends on various factors. By understanding the basics of Ooma, the available hardware options, and the compatibility requirements, you can make an informed decision about whether Ooma is the right choice for you. If you're interested in learning more about Ooma or switching to a VoIP service, be sure to check out the links in the description below. You can also leave a comment if you have any questions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.